Hey guys, welcome to Get My Tech On. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods. So let's get started. So first, get a paper towel out and then run the faucet for a little bit and put some water on it. Not too much. And then squeeze it out. Make sure it's damp. Now unravel your paper towel with water on it and make sure it's not too much water and make sure it's all squeezed out. Now what you're going to do is pick up your AirPod and just start scrubbing. Get all the parts with dirt, with earwax, just everything, get it all off. And just scrub, go to town, but not too hard, don't put too much pressure, just gently. Now the next thing I like to do is get all the earwax out of the speaker mesh. The way I do that was an old dentist tool. Please proceed with extreme caution if you're going to do this. I am not responsible for any breaks in this because it's your choice to do it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe.